Georgia boys. Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a redneck. Chevy jacked up with the straight pipe smokestacks. Fresh paint job, fresh inside. Is it in two-wheel or four-wheel drive? Are the tires big? Do it ride rough. Lean back in the seat like you're real tough. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. Woo! Mud on the outside, clean on the inside. I can't see my paint job. You got a handle on the dash you can hang on with so you don't hit your face hard. Yeah, I'm living like that. And I'm riding like that. Boy, I'm riding like that. Truck stays jacked up even if I get back. Just like my boy said, we ready. Don't matter if you're in a Ford or a Chevy, 2500 or a F250, sipping on a cold brew of grandmama's sweet tea. Crank my truck, CB humming. Tires so loud you can hear me coming. Redneck click, we get hunted. Slinging up mud, it was scaring off bunnies. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. I'm live like a Super Bowl kickoff. My truck got a lot of folks pissed off. Wheels shine like lip gloss. Power stroke got a wide body like Rick Ross. Took time till my truck got right. If I want it, I'ma buy it. I don't ask no price. Got nuts hanging off my hitch. Old folks pointing, saying I'm sick. Got straight pipes sticking up through the bed. Snorkel through the hood looking like a snake head. That right there, CC I like. Got the Super Swamper tires for a dirt cheap price. Press one button, truck automatic start. Hit the gas too hard and the tires might bark like ooh, too hard. Look what you done now, messed up the schoolyard. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. I ride down the road with my tires still wet. I slinging up mud, got the cops upset. Truck sits high, so I'm riding upset. 5 beers in the cooler, got one on deck. I ride down the road with my tires still wet. I'm slinging up mud, got the cops upset. Truck sits high, so I'm riding upset. 5 beers in the cooler, got one on deck. I ride. Is it in two-wheel or four-wheel drive? Are the tires big? Do it ride rough. Lean back in the seat like you're real tough. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. Clean on the inside, mud on the outside. I can't see my paint job.
My lip with a fistful of skull. 12-gauge cock, shift down low. Bounce mud tars like a bass on a pole. Up ahead, something ain't right. It ain't a deer in my KC lights. Oh, sweet Jesus, a city boy priest, slinging up mud. So I started singing, hey, city boy stuff. He's worthless as a 1-point buck. He never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny loafers didn't bring no aircraft sticker running his mouth, getting all pissed. Well, you should have bought a car that you don't plug in. I got a shotgun, riding shotgun, no room to give him a lift. I pull over, crack a Cohen on the shoulder, and put in another dip. And yell, hey, city boy stuff. He's worth it as a 1-point buck. Never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning, 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 spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lover standing right, no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by. City boy, I'm Earl D. Bush Jr. I'm a country boy. You're a long way from town to be running your mouth. See them smooth tires spinning like that? That's why we use nothing but mud tires, 4x4. You got your hair slicked back in your skinny jeans, collar popped up and your car's itty bitty. Better turn around and go back to the city. Whoa, whoa. You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar. Whoa. I'ma pop this top while I holler. Whoa. You can pop back clutch, you can pop back collar. I'ma pop this top while I holler. Hey, city boy stuff. He's worth it as a 1-point buck. Never heard of a 4-wheel drive. Now he's spinning, 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 spinning them tires. Hey, city boy stuff. Penny lover standing bright, no love. Should I throw him a rope? No, hell no, not me. I'm rolling on by. Dip in, don't crack a Cohen, don't fix a tree, don't rope stuff, don't shoot the gun, barbed wire tattoo, don't even go all the way around.
And then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack 'em up and then we riding high. Georgia boys, we riding high. We back in the jacked up trucks, riding on 44s, mud on the doors, and the plan is to get stuck. On the phone, call up the boys, let them all know to bring them toys. Got a winch on the front if you need a tow, and straight pipes to make some noise. Yeah, we coming from a mile away, you can hear the roar. Them knobby tires, we riding higher than we ever did before. If you wanna ride, then I gotta say, hop in at your discretion, cause some have told me that these seats are in the nosebleed section. Got a 12 gauge on the back glass and it's ready to go. When I'm on the road, I never know when I'll see a bucket or dough. Dipping my lip in a cup of spit in the middle console. Still getting honeys and scaring bunnies, you already know. Haha, so this truck gonna keep on rolling down the road. And it ain't no joke, cause Georgia boys are good as gold. So take some notes when you hear this flow and you see the mud hanging on the door. My truck ain't slow and it ain't for show, cause we jack 'em up and then we riding high. We jack